Bank. And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It's Wednesday morning, RGV, and time is 6:42. We are tracking fog mainly in the lower valley and the coast. So we're going to put the numbers here on the board, and you see that there's some thicker fog near Port Isabel with a half-mile visibility going up to about a mile and a half once you get into Brownsville. If you're headed out of the lower valley and into the mid and upper valley, well, relatively clear there with not much fog to deal with. You may see a few sprinkles on your windshield as well from some light rain, and then there is that chance for light rain later on this afternoon, so keep your umbrella on standby. Looking at temperatures, you do need a jacket as you head out. It is a little cool this morning, 62 in Brownsville, McAllen, and Harlingen to 58 degrees right now in Weslaco. We have the winds out of the north-northeast, so that makes it feel a little bit cooler. Dew point values still in the comfortable category in the mid-50s. Now check this out. This is the setup across Texas. We have I want to say the front end of this cold front kind of moving just close enough to the valley to change our winds. But we're going to have the second half really bring in that cool, cold weather over the next couple of days. So let's look at this. On Futuretrack, here is the setup as we go throughout the day today. Relatively warm, but overnight, that's when the chilly air from the north will actually move into the valley through tomorrow morning. We'll also notice that there's some drizzle, so the rain chances will pick up as we head into the second half of the day, and then more so overnight into tomorrow. You're going to have a little bit more widespread activity tomorrow. Light rain and drizzle off and on with cloudy skies. Definitely some colder weather with that cold front situated to the south. The drizzle and the cloud cover will last through part of the day on Friday until we get this a little bit of a pocket of dry air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. That's going to start to limit the rain chances Friday afternoon going into the weekend. So here is the setup temperature-wise. 77 today, dropping to 58 tomorrow. We'll actually be falling through the 50s throughout much of the day, reaching the upper 40s, low 50s by the time it's time for you to drive home. Then that night, 39 is your overnight low. We rebound to barely 50 on Friday. Much of the day will be spent in the 40s, so get ready to use your sweaters, your jackets, scarves, Letterman jackets. All of that will come into good use in addition to your rain gear. Looking at Futuretrack in terms of winds, because this is going to be a big element that we're going to have to deal with. Starting the clock at 11 o'clock tonight, going into early tomorrow morning, not too bad, but the winds are cooler out of the north. Check this out though. Put the clock back in motion, 8 o'clock. It starts to pick up tomorrow morning. We'll be up near 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. And then the second half of the day, 12 to 25 mile per hour winds with gusts up near 30 miles per hour and possibly even exceeding that, especially along the coast. So there will be major changes with those winds coming our way. Until then, boaters and fishermen, get everything you need to get done today. We're looking at east to northeast winds at 7 to 12 knots, a light chop on the bay, nearshore waters 2 to 3 feet. That's going to change starting tomorrow morning. 6 o'clock in the morning, gale watch goes into effect for the coastal waters. For the bay waters, that'll start at 9. So we'll have rough bay waters. Seas will be elevated between 10 and 14 feet. The winds will be gusting up near 40 knots. Definitely some hazardous conditions headed our way. Looking at your First Warn 5 7-day forecast, 58 and falling tomorrow after we spend a day in the upper 70s today with partly sunny skies, a few showers, and then the drizzle, windy, and cold kind of takes over from there on out. 58 will go to 39 tomorrow night, 50 by Friday, and then as we head into the weekend, we have a cool start to the day on Saturday. We'll be in the mid-40s going up to about 67 with some afternoon sunshine. Gradual improvement from there. We'll be back near 80 with increasing sunshine on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, partly sunny in the upper 70s. That's your updated First Warn.